Hey, we're at BC Motor today. BC's a good friend of ours, and he gave me the keys to his Plaid.
They've gone to Plaid.
I've never driven one of these yet. Let's go have some fun. I mean, it's not every day a buddy of yours hands you a key to a 1100 horsepower car that I can't open. Hey, BC! Hold it up right here. See, I shouldn't be able to drive this thing. I don't know how I open it. There it goes.
There it goes.
Yay! Whoa, he's got race. Dude, check this out. He's got race seats in this thing. That is so cool. Oh, yeah. I love the seats. This is amazing.
Yoke driving. So, man, what we got back there?
Got a baby seat.
Dude, I love it's all business up front with the race seats and the party for the kids in the rear.
Seriously?
Wait, what?
Parachute.
Dude, he's got a parachute on the back of this thing because he does drag race it. Dude, this is rad. Okay, BC, you got the cool toys. I don't know if I like this yoke.
You get used to it quick.
Turn signal. Oh my God, push button turn signals.
Yes, you just touch the button.
Sorry, Tesla, I don't like it.
All right, record too when you're gonna do it.
All right, 3.
Did you? Wait, did you make a picture or did you hear?
That's playing some music.
Now it's playing music. Hold on. All right.
There it goes.
All right.
Oh, my brain hurts. Dude, that is ridiculous.
Oh, no, turn right. Look at that long ass straightaway.
Okay.
All right.
All right. So 3, 2, 1. Dude, we're doing 80. Wow, this thing moves.
You want to race, buddy?
He'll die. This is impressive.
Now, you're at
All right.
rolling at go get
All right,
to 50
slow
miles
again.
an hour.
I want to see my face go.
I'm at 42 right now.
All right.
And we can just dump it. So 3, 2, 1.
Woo! 96.
Wow. Now that is a seriously fun car to drive.
All right, Eddie
Oh,
B,
there's
what you think
5-0.
about that?
What do you think, Danny?
Impressive.
Oh, look, we
Danny,
got someone we can race here. Okay, where'd 5-0 go?
Waiting for you.
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! I wasn't ready. I wasn't ready.
Going in right there?
It's not him.
No.
He's up the next one.
Yeah, he's at, well, I see the cops in front of us.
Yeah.
I'd pull up next to him.
Why?
I think goose it.
Oh, yeah. Actually, you know what? This is where we're going. What a fun car.
It's so fun.
Should we race the guy next to us?
Yeah, probably not.
He's got
Probably
big
not.
brakes on.
Oh, you got another guy here.
Another
You got
friend.
Tons.
Lots of buddies.
Yeah.
That will literally break
Way
your neck.
Too much fun.
It literally makes my stomach
Dude, the first time I hit it, I was like, "What is happening to my
Dude,
inside?"
This is crazy. My stomach feels like, like that roller coaster sensation.
Yeah.
I mean, that's a harder launch than like the Incredicoaster.
Hey, my Mustang has a
California.
better launch
Oh,
than that,
yeah.
but this thing is ridiculous. Yeah, totally.
And what's the charge?
We're at 254, about the same as we were.
Yeah. Wow.
This thing's amazing. What a just perfect work of engineering. I got my my plaid my plaid wings.
Thanks to BC Moto.
Yeah. Like, subscribe, check us out, follow us. BC Moto 2. We love you, man. Thank you for letting me drive your car.